Hello and welcome back for some literacy. Okay, it's all about the UE digraph. Ooh, it sometimes makes the sound U as well, but we're going to focus on the U sound like in the video. So you're going to do a word splat, put ooh, UE in the middle, and start splatting out some words. Now I was listening, I've already added blue, clue, and galoo. Can you think of two more with me? Glue. One that wasn't in the video, which I actually love to do in the summer because it's snowy here in the winter. Ready? I'm going to show you. It's a long word. It says barbecue. Have you ever had barbecue before? Delicious. So think about your word splat. Maybe create a list of words that you can look at as you print and then draw a picture of your words afterwards and put it in your literacy book or your folder where all of your letters and sounds go. All right. Be true to you. Oh, Miss Hake, you're so funny. I'll see you soon after you do your ooh placemat. Word splat. Bye. Have fun.